Okay, outer cowls, getting ready to fit these up and try them on. All you purists out there might hate this, but I am seriously considering, rather than going through and plug weld and spot weld and plug weld grind, I'm actually thinking about this might be a really good place to try the 3M panel bond. These are non-structural. They are basically glorified air ducts. They are easily repairable if it all goes to shit. I'm thinking I might try it here. It might be a very good place to give that a shot. There's obviously it's strong enough, but I'm going to fit this up best I can, get it all clamped into place, make sure it can sit in there without a bunch of stress, and see if it's feasible. So I'll get back to you. Okay, I did it. That is panel bonded on there. Weigh in, boys. Lewis, first gen garage, go. Mr. Fireman, tell me what you think. Worst case is I'll be the guinea pig. But on this particular panel, again, it's not super structural. There isn't a whole lot going on there, rigidity-wise. So it's gonna work anywhere. This would be the spot. And it went on nice. It doesn't sag real bad. I mean, you can lay it on vertical surfaces, get it clamped up. Plenty of material in there. Very little bit of squeeze out, a little in there, you can see. But, I think this is gonna work. So I'm gonna leave that clamped up for a while and move on to the other side and do the same thing. But I think this is gonna work. That panel bond is impressive stuff. It's 3M. Clamp time 4 hours, cure time 24. Working time 90 minutes. So that in itself is impressive. So anyway, let's see what we get, and we'll keep an eye on this over the next few weeks. A little experimentation here. Okay, all done up. Just about every clamp I own. Holding these sides on. Yeah, not bad. I think it's gonna work. Weigh in on it, guys. I'm interested to see what you think. Juby, Go, Mr. Fireman, Lewis, all you guys. Tell me what you think here. Worst case is I'll be the guinea pig. But if there was ever a panel that called to be bonded, it would be that one, I would think. But I got them both on now. I'm gonna leave the clamps on there overnight, and we'll see what we get in the morning. But clamps up pretty tight, so I'm not concerned. I think it'll be pretty good. Kind of flatten my flange out a little bit there. I'll dolly that back when I get the clamps off it, but and I'll still spread seam sealer over it and make sure everything is good. But yeah, I think we're there.